You know the feeling. Heart pounding. Thoughts racing. Stress feels like an emotion, but it is actually a chemical event. And when it never stops, your brain physically changes shape. It starts in the hypothalamus. When your brain detects a threat, it signals adrenal glands to release cortisol and adrenaline. Your brain cannot tell the difference between a tiger and an angry email. When cortisol stays elevated for months, it shrinks the hippocampus. Your memory center physically gets smaller. This is why chronic stress makes you forgetful. Chronic stress also enlarges the amygdala, your fear center. A bigger amygdala means stronger fear responses. Things that would not have bothered you before now trigger a full stress response. Cortisol reduces neural connections in your prefrontal cortex. Your decision-making center loses connections. You become more impulsive, more emotional, less able to plan. The brain is plastic. It can heal. Exercise raises BDNF, a protein that grows new brain cells. Meditation increases hippocampal volume after 8 weeks. Sleep cleans out accumulated stress proteins. Stress is not the enemy. Chronic stress is. Move your body. Calm your mind. Sleep 8 hours. Your brain can heal, but only if you let it.